Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so that you can watch my uploads on every Monday and Friday. So today's dish is Methi Chaman. It's a paneer dish and it requires a little bit of preparation, so let's start with the preparations. I've got a deep pan on fire. It's on medium heat. Now into this pot we're going to add the washed and cleaned spinach and wilt the spinach to half the quantity. I've got only the spinach leaves without the stalks. I put it into the pan and now we're going to wilt this until it becomes lesser in quantity. Now we're going to cool this and then grind it into a paste. Cut the paneers into cubes and fry them lightly. In a bowl, add the 1 cup water and the turmeric powder. Mix and put the paneer pieces into this water. When the spinach cooled, I have grinded it into a paste. Now I'm adding the kasuri methi into this and we're going to mix it well. Keep it aside. I've got a deep pan on fire again. Please make sure you use a deep pan so that the spinach mixture doesn't splatter everywhere. I'm going to add ghee. Into this we are going to add ghee. Saute the ghee for a minute. Add in spinach mixture. Mix it together. Now to this, we are going to add the rest of the masala except for the sugar. That's coriander powder, red chilli powder, ginger powder, salt. Stay a little away from the pot because the spinach is going to splatter everywhere. We're going to mix this for 5 minutes until all the masalas are cooked. This has been cooking for 5 minutes. Now what we're going to do is add in the water that the paneer was soaking in. That's basically 1 cup water and a pinch of turmeric too. After adding the water, we have to bring this to a boil. It's come to a boil now. I'm going to bring the temperature or the heat down. I've got the curd which I've beaten up with a spoon. I'm going to add this sugar into this. Mix well. Now add the beaten curd. Mix well until all the white of the curd disappears into the gravy. Last stage, add paneer. We're going to let this cook for 5 to 7 minutes. It's been boiling for 5 to 7 minutes and now it's ready to be served. I know it looks like Palak Paneer, but the taste is totally different. So you should try this.